Like we're talking so much about age domains, expired domains. Your thoughts on using age domains or really competitive niches? Like how does it help or it does not help?
I'm a big fan, so I've loved expired domains for years. Whether you rebuild them, you redirect them. I think the only issue you run into is some of them are truly dead, and you don't really know until you actually get it. So when I'm searching somewhere like SEO.domains generally, I do try and see, is this domain actually ranking for anything? Because never mind what the links are doing, I want, if you've got this dead domain that's just got a parking page on it, if that's actually ranking for keywords, even if they're not very high up and they're not very good keywords, that just tells us that domain's still alive.
Still alive, yeah. And versus like a dead domain, maybe used couple of times, couple of time drops, it will not work.
Exactly.
Versus as a fresh domain that is dropped only once, like that will work way better. Okay, and like what more things you look out on an expired domain before you actually buy it?
Basically, I look at fundamental value. I think I take quite a Warren Buffett type mindset to it, where I go into the Ahrefs backlink analysis, I select best links, so we're only looking at DR30 with traffic, and I basically go through and count and qualify how good those actually are. If they've got links from BBC, Guardian, LA Times, all of those, then literally money can't buy those links. But if it could, the chances are those links would be thousands of dollars. And so I'm literally just going through, if the domain's $500, then I want to have at least 5 really good links in there.